Will you believe there is a company that is in charge of a massive sum of money that is greater than the GDP of almost every country except China and the United States? The company's name is Blackrock, and it manages a whopping $10 trillion. The company is not that old, and in less than 35 years, they have developed such a stronghold that experts have asked this question: does BlackRock own the world? Do they control the world? Let's have a look at this and figure out what it means. Welcome to Wealthy Mindset, where we explore unique and breathtaking angles from the world of money, economics, personal finance, and investing. But before we dive into it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the bell icon right there so you never miss any of our subsequent videos. BlackRock was founded 35 years ago in 1988 by Larry Fink, Robert Capito, Susan Wagner, Barbara Novick, Ben Golub, Hugh Frater, Ralph Schlostein, and Keith Anderson to establish an investment and asset management firm. The majority of BlackRock's revenue comes from asset management for third-party customers, who are primarily organizations such as public pension plans, endowments, and foundations. Almost 60% of its total assets under management are for institutional investors, with stock market-linked products accounting for the majority of them. It also has a sizable alternative investment section with $265 billion in assets under management as of December, with products ranging from private equity to private credit to hedge funds. BlackRock has clients from more than 100 countries and operates in 30 countries with 70 offices worldwide. The company has grown significantly over the last 30 years and has earned the trust of numerous investors. A crisis like the 2008 financial crisis or the 2020 pandemic puts BlackRock in a position to become the world's largest bank to manage public funds. Their customers were drawn to their distinctive methods of risk mitigation and financial crisis management. Until now, no financial crisis has had a significant impact on their holdings. BlackRock has a strong and capable management team. When the United States government began organizing a bailout program in 2008, they needed someone with a financial background to help monitor the bailout money. It was Larry Fink who assisted them, which made him create policies in such a way that he could direct the funds in favor of his clients. Even the peak of the pandemic of 2020 made companies get consultancy from BlackRock to keep their assets safe and secure. With such a long list of companies, BlackRock was able to utilize the housing sector to divert the flow of the fund and buy multiple houses. What if they see the market as a superior opportunity, causing them to sell their assets and causing a market panic? Do you know? Many government officials have been hired by BlackRock in prominent positions. Famous names affiliated with BlackRock include Brian Deese and Wally Adeyemo. Deese previously worked for President Barack Obama as a senior advisor and deputy director of the National Economic Council, which he will now lead under Biden. Adeyemo had served as Obama's top international economics counselor before being nominated as Biden's deputy Treasury Secretary. He served as Fink's interim head of staff while at BlackRock. There are officers like Thomas Donilon, who served as a national security officer, Mike Pyle, who previously served in Obama's administration and is now the top investment strategist of BlackRock, and many others. Well, by now, you must be getting the mathematics behind the $10 trillion sums and the bright future of BlackRock. One of the reports by the Office of Finance Research, OFR, has found that the failure of such a large asset management firm can bring a lot of risk at a global level. The type of interaction, size, and complexity that BlackRock has in different investment opportunities can cause instability, which can increase risks across funds managed by it or across markets. With $4 trillion in assets under management, BlackRock has admitted that there are some risks associated with particular investment products and practices that regulators should address, while emphasizing that any additional rules should apply to all market players, regardless of size. Elizabeth Warren last year pushed Janet Yellen from Treasury Secretary to be dubbed BlackRock. Yellen responded that the FSOC has looked at this problem in the past and issued a report outlining the greatest dangers presented by such enterprises. The finance secretary noted that she is just beginning a work program with FSOC, assuring the senator that asset management risks would definitely be on the body's agenda. In our opinion, we can't afford to overlook companies like BlackRock, which manages such a large investment portfolio. Any negative event involving BlackRock is a direct invitation for the next major market recession, which the global economy is not prepared to tackle. So, what are your thoughts on BlackRock, and what policies would you recommend in such a situation? Please mention to us in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, slap a like on it and subscribe to the channel to stay updated with the latest business trends and interesting facts. You can also turn on the bell notification so you don't miss any of our mind-blowing videos. We'll catch you in the next one. Until then, bye!